In this video we want to show you how to earn credit for Google Play Store to buy apps and games for free. Okay, let us start. Go to Google Play Store and search for Rewards. Now, download and install the app, Google Opinion Rewards. Now open this new app. Go through setup process and fill out your details, like gender, age, location, income, and occupation. Now everything is set up. We can start with the first survey and get paid for that. Click at the top on Do Survey Available. In this case it is a quick survey. It is just asking if there is a child in the household. That's all. We earn 14 cents with this answer. There will be notifications on your smartphone when new surveys will become available. This is usually the case, at least once a week. Feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.